Pasukan pertahanan Israel IDF melancarkan operasi militer ke tepi barat yang merupakan serangannya terbesar selama lebih dari 2 dekade ke wilayah ini. Difokuskan di utara, termasuk kota Jenin dan Tulkarem. Pejabat Israel mengatakan yang disasar adalah pemimpin organisasi teroris.
We discovered that in Jenin, in Ramallah, there is a serious military industry that actually produced for many years those it's not only missiles like you mentioned, it's also bombs, it's also various of weapons, and I think this is our targets.
Menurut analis dari Israel, setelah dipukul habis di Gaza, Hamas memang beralih ke tepi barat.
In the Gaza Strip, where Hamas is almost totally dismantled, and Iran and the Hamas leadership abroad understand pretty well that they lost a very crucial and essential asset, which is part of the resistance axis or so-called resistance axis led by Iran. And they are trying to compensate for this loss by intensifying terror infrastructure in the West Bank, smuggling weapons and standard explosives and money from Syria and Lebanon and Iraq through Jordan, and then the Jordan Valley to the northern districts of the West Bank.
Sebagian analis skeptis dengan pembenaran Israel terhadap serangannya.
So if you recall, your viewers may recall, Israel claimed that Hamas had a command center in the largest hospital in Gaza, Shifa Hospital. When that was revealed to be false, Israel claimed that they found 2 AK-47s in the hospital next to the MRI machine.
Sementara menurut warga Palestina, serangan di tepi barat juga merugikan warga sipil, terutama di kamp pengungsi Jenin. Untuk mencari bahan peledak, tentara Israel menggali banyak lubang di jalan serta memutus air dan listrik. Di saat perhatian dunia lebih banyak tertuju pada pertempuran di Gaza, sorotan juga mulai menguat ke operasi militer Israel di tepi barat. Menurut PBB, sejak meletusnya perang Israel-Hamas, lebih dari 680 warga Palestina meninggal dunia di tepi barat. Pada saat bersamaan, 22 warga sipil dan tentara Israel juga tewas di tepi barat. Analis menekankan perbedaan antara tepi barat dengan jalur Gaza.
Keep in mind, the West Bank and Jenin are directly under Israeli occupation. Not a siege like you had in Gaza that was patrolled through drones and the Israeli Air Force and then maintained by this massive wall. You have a full spectrum matrix of occupation in the West Bank with daily and sometimes multiple times a day incursions by the Israelis into major Palestinian populations, including places like Jenin.
Wartawan Palestina mencermati, banyak warga Palestina di tepi barat mempersenjatai diri sejak meletusnya perang Israel-Hamas. Dan meluasnya serangan ke tepi barat saat ini meningkatkan kekhawatiran terjadinya eskalasi perang yang telah berlangsung hampir 11 bulan ini. Dari Washington DC, Yuni Salim dan tim VOA.